How to fix Roblox not launching problem. So if you want to fix the Roblox not launching problem, then the first and main thing that you need to do is you just need to open up your settings. Once you open your settings, now you need to go and search for apps and features, or you can go for installed apps, and here you will have all of the installed apps, right? So you can simply search for the Roblox application. Once you've searched here, you will have the application. Go for the right side which has the three dots and make sure to uninstall the application. Once you've uninstalled, you can again go for the Microsoft Store and you can start installing your Roblox. So this is the first fix. But if that still doesn't fix your problem, then the second fix is you just need to go for the Windows R. Just press Windows R, or you can simply go for Windows and then click on Run. And under Run, you need to enter percentage app data and then percentage, and click on OK. And here you will have the app data. So under app data, here you will have roaming option, right? So you need to go back to the app data, and under that you need to go for local, and under local here you will have an option of Roblox. So you may have a folder which is named Roblox. Simply find that folder, and under the Roblox folder you will have versions. You can simply go for the version, and under the version you need to select the second version. And once you've selected the second version, you need to go for the bottom, which is Roblox Player Launcher.exe. Tap on it and it will connect to the Roblox. And once it's connected, tap on OK, and that's it. You can go back to your Roblox and your Roblox will launch. So that's how you can fix the Roblox not launching problem. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.